Whatever. Alright. Alright. There we go. My stuff. Playing Quinn in the bot lane because I don't know. I didn't get jungle.
You're reading the rift.
Anyways, just let him know it has full AD runes. Watch out. In fact, I think they're team AP 80.
Stick to the plan, Val.
Yeah, that's real support. Do a little mess up in champion select, but it's okay.
30 seconds until
My
minions
jungler is
spawn.
Lee Sin. I'm totally okay with that. I like Lee Sin. Playing with that new Quinn skin. It's a very nice skin, I think. I like it, honestly.
We Demacians are
Looks
known
pretty
as
good.
brave.
And Valor just looks dope. It's awesome. This lane. Smiley face. Diana.
Minions are on the march.
Wait, the Quinn Master. Almost. Day by Oh man, that clock up there and that clock over there is barely not matching. That's annoying. That really freaking annoys me. There's something in this bush. Nope. Something anywhere else? Nope. What? Don't take my freaking CS, dude.
There's always
Not cool. No. No. It's like negative 10 games as a marksman. Yeah. Dang it.
find me some time.
Come on. That's cool. Hey, hi-yo. Not good. Ah! Hell.
There's blood in the water.
No!
You're a big maroon.
Ow. That hurt. Go, Ezreal!
Twice.
Yeah, nice. Good job. Well played. How many items? Sucks. Get those, whatever. Go fast. Attack fast, whatever. God, no CS. I need a CS. 5 CS. That's terrible. I'm terrible. It's the freaking worst. D5. Okay, that Zed. That does look like a scary Zed. Yeah. Oh. Holy crap. Oh. Keep poking him. Don't let him get 6 before you. You're screwed then, dude. Contemplating whether or not to build Botrick or IE. I need to get out of the frickin' Morgana bindings. Not a good thing to be in, ever. Do you recall? He did. Okay, I need to play safe.
We've got this covered.
Not very good at that. Dude, fire. Don't frickin' minions, man. Jacking up my CS. Not coolio.
What do you see up there?
Oh, come on.
Demacia is counting on us.
Yes! The savior CS. I love it.
Find me a path.
escalated quickly. I don't know if you guys are watching the chat, but alrighty. Trust me, you'll love me forever. Just listen. Oh yeah, one person gets stunned, the other repents with tons of damage. He's got a sheen already, that's nice. Nice!
I live behind you.
Yes, I've been watching that spicy stream all day. I watched that one a while ago. Nice! And that's my cue. Okay. Whoa. Okay. Okay. Let's get some CS. Boop. 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 It's kill lane. We have no tank. Oh, wait. Yeah, well. Unless. Who's their tank, Shyvana? Tell you to build a little tank in a minute. Yup. Nope. I'm bad. Yeah. We build a little tanky. There we go. Now he knows. AoE! Forgot that's an AoE. I have enough for my pickaxe if I decide to go back. Stay fire! What the? What? That did not go as planned.
Stick to the plan, Val.
What is she talking about? Is that her plan? Assistance?
We've got you.
That's a weird gank. Shyvana trying to kill me, but as we all know, Quinn is like,
Sometimes I swear that bird is
if you're a melee, where is it going? If you're a melee jungler and you're chasing down a Quinn to this area and you're like right up in her face, boing, not even close. Later. That's what happens if you try and gank Quinn is. Any melee jungle is just about. Whoa, get the kill! Get the kill! She doesn't deserve the kill.
Your allies decorating the seabed.
Wow. That's really stupid. She doesn't deserve that kill. Yeah, good job. Where am I going? There's level 6. It's my power spike. Level 6. It's a big old disengage. I don't have level 6. I have no big disengage. Okay, well, she's gonna jump. Little freak. If I chew. Make play. Make play. Can't do much without my eyes. My eyes are real. Yes. I'm being stupid. This game is stupid. Howdy. It's gonna hurt a little bit. Oh, God. It hurt. Yeah, you got stun locked there.
Your name.
Ow! My bad, my bad. Not worth.
More death to go around.
Stay alert. Find me a path.
DFIO. Valor says stop running. Cheese and harmony.
Your ally has been slain.
Good. Uh-oh.
Won't be the last body to fall. Your ally got a
What?
double kill.
What?
I live behind enemy lines.
Shut down.
Really? How often is that jump up?
Val's getting all the glory again.
How in the nine hells? Don't die. That did not go well.
Buy me some time. Stay on the target.
Your ally has been slain.
We're in this together. Sometimes I swear that bird is showing up.
Alright.
An enemy has been slain.
Got it coming.
Everything's got an end. Go to the center of the fountain. Turret destroyed. A prison for the slaughter dogs.
Buy me some time.
Ain't worth a coffin.
Lee!
Your mate's
Lee.
feeding the fishes.
The wrong way.
Turret destroyed.
Showing up.
Oh yeah.
Demacia is counting on us.
A fine meal for the sharks.
Oh my god, sorry guys, I haven't been commentating.
Always a trail.
I've just been typing. Forgot I was recording. So yeah, I have quite a bit to learn. Still a nibby nibby nib. You know? Yeah. I don't really think there was much commentary that could be done though, because I think you guys could just figure out from the situation right now exactly what's happening. I'm playing Quinn, I suck, and we might win this ranking because of those two things. Hey, bad dragon, stop it, stop it, stop it, stop it, stop Stop. 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 Stop it.
Eyes lost his
Stop making me tank. Ah.
brought down that dragon.
Ow. Need a little CS.
We've got this covered.
Oh, not that one. Thank you, Ezreal. Nice guy. Douche. Alright. Starting to build static, I think. Now, holy cow, I hiccup. I'm dying. There we go. Now, I have the crate of Simons.
Val's stealing all
Here, face, run, not away. Oh, you. I have ultimate.
a bird's eye view is the best advantage.
But there's a Elbows out here, Lee. Never mind. How long until you're
You're out,
up?
a turret.
No idea. No! Mine! Mine! Mid laner is not missing. It's kind of like the whole reason I do that. Yo! Calm down, nipples. Help! Got dudes in all sorts of lanes.
Enemy killing spree. Your turret's been destroyed. Shut down.
Wow!
Been gutted.
Where did Lee Sin go? Lee.
Be the last body to fall. That's two of yours down. Turret destroyed.
Demacian needs heroes.
Maybe I'll make it to bronze 1 today.
Your ally
Yeah,
has been
I
slain.
like. Alright.
Find me a path.
777. Dope. I just got there. WTF. No MIA. Gosh. First pick Teemo. It's kind of revives red. I mean, what did you expect, mate? Expect everything to just be thrown at you? Easy? Easy peasy? Lemon squeezy? Whoa! There's a who now in that bush? Alright.
Stick to the plan, Val.
¿Qué onda, Sandia?
Rampage.
My phone.
I live
It's ringing.
behind enemies.
BRB! It was nobody of importance. Obviously.
The enemy's
Da
gaining
da.
steam.
Da la 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 la. No, 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 dang it. God freaking dang it. Ridiculous, people. Wish I did damage. Alright. That's okay. Sell my Dorans maybe if I need to. Good birdie. Good birdie, Valor. You're a good birdie.
We've got this covered.
Alright. Almost level 11. Okay. Get a little bit of CS while they kill them. Do 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 do. Get CS while they Dude, come on, Timo. You're fucking so wrong. For real? You need help with everything? Always? I mean, it's just frickin' Zed.
There's always
Holy crap. Just why? Can you not?
Take out that enemy! Your turret in splinters! Shut down! Tides always turn!
Oh, yeah, now I can sell it and get that. Now we
Everything's
go
got an end!
this one? No, 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 no. No, you're out of mana. No.
Enemy double kill!
No, Ezreal.
stick to the plan, Val.
Enemy missing, enemy missing.
The enemy team has slain the dragon!
Helmet, bro.
Buy me some time.
Sad face. Kill her. Whoa.
Sometimes I swear that bird is just showing off.
Huge problem. Faces of gluttony. There's a lot of them. What? What are you doing? There's so many of them. Wow! Stupid Annie. That's dumb. I don't like Annie.
Ally double kill! Allies lost in
Uh-oh. But bro,
Shut down!
there's a Zed. No. Run, Ezreal. Keep up the kite. Kite Rooney. I keep dying. I'm disappointing my team. Sad face.
Your allies decorating the sea.
What? What? Why don't we kill him? Timo's doing nothing. Meanwhile, Timo sits in the bush and waits for nothing. Now he moves, attempting to steal the blue.
Val's
Never mind,
doing
he
all
was
the
just
glory
hoping.
again.
I lied. We are not going to throw this. We will be okay.
Your mate's feeding the fishes.
Why does Tristan have so many? Why is Annie coming directly towards me? No.
Ain't worth a coffin.
Val's stealing all the glory again.
Crisp. Really? Why guess we always get all the kills.
Slaughter dogs.
Curses. Melted by 2 abilities. Ripping Pepperino.
Turret destroyed.
Yeah, get that good push going. All the way up here. I don't know if I'll do like a series on this, but I'm pretty sure I'll get out of bronze if I try hard enough. 21 LP in
Too good an end
what's
for
it called?
Stay alert.
In Trash Bag 2. I mean bronze 2. So I could possibly get to bronze 1 eventually. Maybe.
Turret destroyed.
No idea. Yay, more turrets.
Fine meal for the sharks.
Oh. 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 Influence. What was that all about? No! Stupid bear.
Bird's eye view is the
Let them know who you are.
Sometimes I swear that bird is just showing up.
I gotta get out of here. Hi. That's something you wanna see, yeah? Hey, 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 hey.
You earned your draw there.
Hey! Get out of here! Oh man, almost there to my blood dish. Oh, that was an interesting duel between me and the Triss. These mushrooms do nothing! Demo. Demo. Dem. Base. Shrooms.
A fine meal for the sharks.
Don't know what the... Fountain shrooms. Fountain.
We Demacians are no easy prey.
They doing dragon? Oh. Okay.
The team slain the dragon.
Assistance. Never mind.
Finding a path.
Just not gonna go there. Whoa. Whoa.
You're out.
Why?
They got a taste of your blood.
Just Annie.
Two
Just Annie.
men overboard.
Annie. Guys. You blew that one time. Quinn, it is here. Half the computer. With 19 other ADCs. Pick up, back up.
Has been slain.
Right there.
Demacia is counting.
You're out a turret.
Seriously? Seriously?
That's making an example. Double kill.
I'm not useless. elbow
Buy
GA.
me some time.
1v2. Just gotta kill Annie. She had her stun. You gotta kill her before she can think. Be like,
Stay on the target.
otherwise, she does that to you in 2.5 seconds. Maybe even less. Come on.
Yes, their attention.
Your allies
Curses.
lost his endurance. A prison for the slaughter dogs. They got a knack for dying.
Wrong thing to jump to, but
Double kill.
critical.
Rampage. Your allies decorated the seabed. Leave no doubt.
Critical.
Haste. See if they learn their lesson. Turret destroyed. Inhibitor destroyed. Your ally has been
What?
slain.
What? Don't want it.
Find me a path.
Ow. Ah, bad dive. A really bad dive. Bop, 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 bop. Oh.
The fools just keep coming.
Balls! Balls!
We've got this covered.
Save me, I'm trapped in a vile world where the end game's all the same as every other. We're only to die. I shouldn't be alive. On the next episode of I Shouldn't Be Alive, Quinn. That was beautiful. Ah. I don't know why I just started singing there. Must have been awkward for you guys. Just started singing out of nowhere. So far, this game has been very interesting. Like, they thought I was useless at first, and then I made a giant comeback with my 9,000 damage crits. My crit damage is over 9,000! I see we're going right there. We're only here to dare. 1v2. 1v9. Look up. No, please. No, please. Please.
Ain't worth a coffin.
Yeah, throw him down. Okay.
Val's stealing all.
Alright, maybe I'll just heal up off of
Inhibitor destroyed.
whatever. Why? Man, they got salty.
Turret destroyed. Haste. Turret destroyed.
Oh, no, they didn't. I fed myself, DY Varian.
We're in this together.
Wow, what a game. I'm out.